Alright. Nice one. That's for you.
Energy ammo here.
I love this so much. Sorry. If it's really genetically the lies that is in our head. But they're so cute.